I quit.
I think you made the right decision. You've been working on this case for a very long time, and it's time to move on.
You're just gonna let me quit?
You might just be too close. The agency will miss you. You're one of the best.
Look, I don't know if I should have quit. I think I should have at least finished this one case first.
Okay, you know what? Forget about that case. And try finding yourself a man, you know? Like, what about that guy over there?
Are you crazy? Look, I'll think about finding a guy, but I want to take my time.
Come on, just have some fun, you know?
I guess.
Like, give it a shot. It doesn't have to be him, it could be anyone else.
Okay. Hey. Mind if I sit? I saw you standing here and I thought you looked kind of lonely and I thought you were cute, so...
Nice start.
Yeah.
I'm Guy. What's your name?
Ivy. So, you gonna sit or just gonna keep standing?
No, sit.
Hi! Oh my gosh. So how are things with guys?
So, about that, we're getting married.
Oh, really? Are you sure about this?
Of course, I love him.
Okay, Ivy, be real. What do you even know about him? It's only been 3 months.
I thought you'd be happy for me.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I'm just looking for my fiance, Guy. I brought him lunch.
Oh, he's busy right now, but I bet he
Oh,
can
there
take
he is! Guy! Guy, I brought you lunch.
Whoa, sorry, what are you doing here?
I brought you lunch. Aren't you happy to see me?
Yeah. I'm just work. Busy right now.
Okay, what was all that about?
Nothing, just work. I'm just busy right now. What are you doing?
You're not busy. You're hiding something.
Ivy, please.
You lied to me. You're not the guy from the coffee shop. You're him. The case that kept me up at night. The reason I almost lost my damn mind. The reason I quit.
Ivy, I meant to tell you.
Don't say my name like that. When were you gonna tell me? When we married? When we had kids? When I turned you in at a PTA meeting?
I didn't choose this life. My dad, he screwed over the wrong people. I was 20 working night shifts, selling everything I had to pay for my mom's treatment. She had cancer. Bills stacked. I took the boss's offer. I thought it'd help. Didn't. She died anyway.
So you're still working for him?
I owe a lot of money. I take a job here and there.
Normal people don't hide their life in a locker at work.
I know I messed up, but us, was never fake. Not a second of it.
You know what that case did to me? I thought I was chasing a ghost, but it was you the whole time. Across from me at dinner, sitting next to me.
Ivy, I'm out. Trust me, for real. Look, this is everything on it. You can't trust me. Trust this.
If you're really done running, then let's finish this.
Okay.
me, yeah, can I just excuse you? No. This is enough to put him away for life. We just need to figure out who he is exactly.
Okay. He's got another job for me. I'm gonna end it for real this time. Okay, Ivy? I need to prove to you that I'm not who you think I am.
Wait, I have a plan.
What do you want me to do?
Take her out!
Here?
Hurry up before she gets here!
Who?
Wait!
Ivy, I already knew it was a matter of time before you showed up.
Help! Ivy, help!
Let her go, she's got nothing to do with this.
Oh, Ivy, I'm afraid I can't do that. Don't you see? Everyone you know has to die. It's called tying up loose ends.
I see why you let me quit, boss.
Deal with her, and then take her out.
Wait!
What, give up? All bets are off.
I bet you weren't betting on this.
What do you think you're doing?
Repaying my debts. What do you want me to do? He's got another job for me. Oh no, this is my chance.